There's a lot of things we now know about the distant past that seemed impossible only a few decades ago. Discovering the colors of fossilized animals, fragments of collagen in dinosaur bones, and even finding near-complete remains of previously enigmatic animals like Dinochirus and Spinosaurus. But there's still a lot of things we don't know, and never will. The fossil record is a spotty and broken mess, very incomplete. Even as we answer some questions, others remain frustratingly unanswered, and even more questions are raised. Evolution, missing links, behavior, coloration, all will be explored on Paleo-Mysteries. Anomalous Ammonite anatomy.
As recent in geologic time as 66 million years ago, the oceans of Earth were populated by a unique organism we can only get a glimpse of through its closest living relative, the nautilus. This animal has left behind countless fossils, so many in fact that they can be quite accurately used to date the rock beds and formations in which they are found. For only certain kinds are found in certain ages of rock, which means that they are index fossils. These coiled gems of the earth are the ammonoids. Oh, you may be thinking, oh, ammonites. Well, actually, ammonites are only a specific group of these shelled animals, but the whole group is called Ammonoidea. Therefore, if you wish to refer to all types of these shelled animals, you call them ammonoids. The ammonoids were a commonplace part of the marine ecosystem. They grew from microscopic to the absolute titanic. They are one of the most well-known and often sought-after fossils, for some have been found permineralized with precious gems and minerals, and also just generally look pretty cool. Just to show you how many fossils and genera there are, and how common these fossils are, get ready for an incomplete list of known genera.
At supersonic speed.
Acanthocytes, Acanthonites, Acanthoceros, Acanthoceratites, Acanthoclymenia, Acudimatoceros, Berniceros, Variacella, Budontiella, Bevahites, Cleoniceros, Claviceros, Clinolobus, Clydonites.
All right, we get it. No more. That was literally only a fraction of all known genera. Quite the pervasive group. Despite all we know of them, the biggest, most important part of these animals, the body, we know virtually nothing about. A bottomless void that can only be enlightened by the highly sought-after, well-preserved fossil. The squishy bits, what the actual animal was and looked like, is completely unknown. For every single fossil ever found of an ammonoid is devoid of any preservation of the soft bits, which makes this octopus fossil all the more extraordinary. There may be an ink sac fossil and an internal organ fossil, however. It is not entirely agreed upon as to whether or not the fossil is of those soft tissues or not. Ammonoids are cephalopods, as you probably guessed, related to the octopods, squids, cuttlefish, and the nautilus. Therefore, it can be reasonably assured that the ammonoids had some kind of shared anatomical characteristics, like a siphon for propulsion through the water, a keratinous beak for crushing prey items, a radula, which is comparative to the tongue of vertebrates, but is used more for breaking down food, and at least 10 arms, as all other cephalopods do. Although this group existed for 300 million years, far longer than the dinosaurs, the true anatomy is completely unknown. All reconstructions of the soft bits of the ammonoids is completely speculative, until a 1 in a trillion chance find of a well-preserved ammonoid is found. For now, this mystery remains unsolved.